In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix AirDrop not working on an iPhone or iPad. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few very easy things that you could go ahead and do to ensure that it's working for you, but basically on both phones, so obviously AirDrop, it requires two things. So what you're going to need to do is go and make sure that both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. So if I swipe down, go ahead and click on that right there. I just want to make sure my Wi-Fi is enabled and also want to make sure my Bluetooth is enabled as well. The next thing I want to go ahead and do is check my AirDrop receiving settings. So I can go over to my settings right now, scroll down until I find AirDrop. So it's going to be in general. So I could click on AirDrop and I want to make sure that my receiving is on contacts only, or I want to make sure that it's on everyone for 10 minutes. So that's going to be one of the other things. And you also want to make sure that start sharing by bringing device together is turned on. And you also want to make sure out of range is on as well, which can use your mobile data. So that's going to be done as well. Next thing you want to do is go to your settings and then scroll down, and you want to make sure that personal hotspot is not enabled. Now it's grayed out for me because I don't have my mobile data on, but if I went to turn on my mobile data, now my personal hotspot is going to be there. Just make sure it is turned off, because if your personal hotspot is on, you're not going to be able to AirDrop properly. The final thing I'd recommend is to move your devices within 30 feet of each other, so as close as possible for AirDrop to work, and then you'll be good to go.